Hello there and welcome back. This is going to be another typer video, and in this video we are going to demonstrate the multiple values capabilities of typer. So basically you can define multiple values for options and for arguments as well. First we are going to see it in the options case. So def main and if name equals main and typer run main. So let's say that we have let's call them heroes, and I'm playing multiple an MMO called Dota, and we are going to create an optional with a list of hero names. So basically what we would like to do is to import from typing the tuple, and basically we say that this heroes variable is of tuple type, and we would like to specify a string, and a string, and then we say that this is a typer optional, or rather option, and the default values are pudge, draw, and which should be the third one, Monkey King. And now what we can do is to basically say that pudge, draw, and Monkey King are going to be the unpacking of heroes. And basically we could say that if not pudge or not draw or not Monkey King, then typer.echo heroes not provided. Otherwise, what we would like to say that typer.echo heroes are present. Alright, let's go back to the command prompt and use the Python multivalues --help. So cannot be instantiated. What is the problem? So we have the tuple, and it's not going to be an instance, but rather this way. And heroes, this is the default value, and heroes mort crystal maiden and Azalor. And as you can see, we have the values unpacked, but don't bother that the names do not reflect. This is how you can use the option. What we are going to see how you can use the CLI arguments with multiple values. So let's create a new argument. And what should we call it? Let's call it names. And this is also going to be a tuple. And we are going to have 3 strings and typer.argument. And what we would like to say is that we have also got default values. Let's make these default. And the help message will say that select a hero. And comma. So now what we would like to do is to echo the names. And basically what we can do is to issue the help. So names are going to be default, and the default values are these. And we could specify the names here, and then specify the heroes as well as options. So this is how you can handle multiple values in Typer.